Yo, 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 yo. Rawr. Don Paul Solis Zay. Good morning. Might try to get into a trade here, even though it's super slow. I'm still kind of getting set up here. Give me a sec. Uh, had a lot to do this morning, so. Yeah. Sayed? Said? Sorry, I know I butchered that. My bad. Definitely had a decent afternoon yesterday, by the way. Ended up plus 100 on the futures desk account, plus 633 on the big account, which is this one that we're on right now, and then plus 400 on the one that we just took a payout from. I am going to attempt to be a little bit more aggressive and get that $400 a day on that second account so that way I can try to get a payout by Friday. That'd be pretty cool since it's just the 20% consistency rule. If I can make $400 a day on that account, we in theory can get a payout on Friday, once a week. A bigger sell-off during news. Thought we didn't have news much this week. Oh, that's right. Today we do the core retail sales and retail sales. You're right. You are right, sir. That is at 8:30. I do remember mentioning that yesterday now. I mean, looking at where we're at on the daily, I mean, this is just crazy. It's like up, up, and away. Like, let's go over to the daily real quick. There it is. I was like, I know it's here somewhere. And take a look at this. Back in April, or March into April, we had the big pullback where everyone thought that the bubble was bursting, yada, yada, yada. But then look at since then. Just straight up. It's crazy. We had one little fake out here, but it wasn't even really a fake out. I mean, we didn't even get back down to previous resistance. And then we haven't got back below there since, and now we're just straight up. I mean, this is just insane. The market only go up. It's crazy. It just scares me a little bit. But it's just like when I said after COVID, if you guys were around when during COVID, I said that they would artificially pump the market to the point where when they finally did have a sell-off, it would at least be above where they currently had, like where we were pre-COVID, right? So if it finally had a dump off, at least we wouldn't go back below pre-COVID levels. And I feel like that's probably what they're doing now. And honestly, I thought that's what they were doing back here, because I thought when we were making this dip down in March and April that I thought this was the dip, that if you go back even further on the chart, they were attempting to just keep it above certain levels. And I mean, this is crazy. I mean, we dipped to 17,000, a little under 17,000. Now we're back up to almost 25,000. That's just crazy. And that is quite the return in how many months? 5 months. That's crazy. Absolutely crazy. But anyways, we'll see what happens at 8:30 and go based off of that. Maybe I'll attempt to trade somewhere with the 8:30 news because it is bigger news. Don't forget, I will be headed over to the My Fun to Future stream. That will be at 10 o'clock. I'll be coming on at 10 o'clock, but I'll have to leave around like 9:40, 9:45. Oh my god. No.
My parents are broke. I need to go back in. My parents are broke as shit.
You've just arrived. How are you feeling?
Well, I just want to find the guy that's been bonking me on the forehead for the last 9 months. It took my mom 40 weeks to get me here. It took my dad about 13 seconds.
How's your first day experience?
They dropped my pacifier on the floor, then blew on it and gave it back. I swear I'm putting them in the worst nursing home.
What makes you mad, baby?
When grandma in my face saying goo goo gaga, but her breath smells like poo poo caca. Where's the doctor? I need to go back in. Mommy and Daddy are fighting because I was supposed to come out white.
Goat man? I don't know.
Oh, that's hilarious. Moms will believe this video. My friend just traded her 8th day on her PA account to get her first payout. Let's go. Yeah, I need to make sure moving forward we don't go crazy with the buffer. It's gonna be nice for trying to get the second payout to have that buffer, but it doesn't really help me. Oh man, I'm tired this morning. I stayed up watching some of the late night game last night. This is a boring game too. Such a waste of time. Oh boy. Favorite non-alcoholic drink? I'm a fan of smoothies, to be honest, homemade ones. I'd have to say right now it's IBC cream soda. It's always been IBC cream soda. I don't know why I thought for a second I was going to say something different. You ever tried Moxie? Underrated soda? Moxie. I don't think I've heard of Moxie. Moxie. Sweet, bitter, and sweet carbonated beverage. Moxie. Ever heard of it? Have you ever heard of Frosty? Frosty root beer is pretty good. For those who have tasted Moxie, what does it taste like? We don't sell them in California, well, nor Maryland. Sort of a cross between Dr. Pepper root beer and cough syrup. A bitter caramel soda with herbal notes. It tastes like Moxie. There's nothing close. Best thing to wash down your whoopie pie. Tastes like a non-alcoholic Jägermeister. Interesting. I'm from Maine, so I'm from where it's big. I don't get why everyone hates it. I tell my friends, it tastes like every other brown soda, and they're like, WTF, but it tastes like root beer mixed with Dr. Pepper. I mean, I would try it. I was just in Maine not that long ago, too. I would have tried it had I known about it before we went up there. All right, we're coming up on 8:30, less than 10 minutes. You got the big red folder news. Be mindful. Let me check my other email. I really forgot to do that. A boutique crypto brokerage based in Australia wants to work with me. Paid promo for traders. No, thank you. Coffee chat with war traders. I hate when people send you these emails and they're like, "Oh, just sign up for a call." It's like, "No, how about you explain to me in the email what it is you're about instead of trying to get me on a call and waste my time." I literally, when people ask me to schedule a call, I usually just delete it because it's like, "No, if you want me to work with you, you can explain to me in an email what's going on." Collaboration opportunity with Earn to Trade. I mean, I'm already kind of with Earn to Trade. They want to give me a free account. I'll take it. I have to use it though, because they want me to like test it. I've never had an account with them before. I just know that they're a good company. All right. It's actually the second one he sent me. I don't really check this email that much, so. BTCC partnership opportunity. Dude, that's the thing. I get these all the time, and it's just always a bunch of crap. BTCC exchange. No, thank you. Advertiser certification and new incentives. Oh, he wants to grow my following on X. No, thank you. Partnership with celebrity and rock star trader Andrew Keene. Alpha Shark Trading. I've been watching your growth on YouTube, and I want to start by saying how much I respect what you've built. How much you want to bet this is just a generic email that he sends to a bunch of people? Proposal, a partnership for mutual success. See who this is with. Affordable indicators. I'm good. Kraken acquires breakouts. Oh, this is like a news thing. We got 4 minutes till the news. Keep that in mind. Affordable indicators again. How'd they even get my email? I mean, I guess I get it from my YouTube page. Paid licensing VOLA trades footage. This must have been before the name change. Hey VOLA, are you open to licensing some of your footage? We've got several clients that are paying heavy fees for licensing footage to train AI models. I don't know. We've got 3 million plus hours of footage from more than 2,000 creators. Mind if I send you a bit more info? Why? You already have 3 million hours of footage from 2,000 creators. What do you need me for? Oh, this guy sent me several emails. That's the other thing too. Like, I don't mind you shooting your shot, but you don't need to send 4 or 5 emails. Look, here's Andrew Keene again. All right, here. Let me go find Andrew Keene as many times. All right, it's just the last one there. All right, we're getting there. Definitely not going to get there before 8:30, but a private video was shared with me. Ooh. Ooh, I'm not clicking that link, even though it does say youtube.com. I'll stay away. Another private video. What is up with these private videos being shared to me? I don't know if I like that. Alex Daniels. There is a lot of emails from Alex Daniels. Let's see who he's with. Oh, this is the Affordable Indicators guy. All right, let's get rid of all his emails. Alex Daniels, Alex Daniels, Alex Daniels, Alex Daniels, Alex Daniels. Oh, Jesus, dude. Still thinking about our partnership? Probably not. Who's this? The BTCC. Nope. Another private video. What is it? All right, almost caught up here. There's earn to trade again. We got about 1 minute till news. Sorry, I'm just kind of doing some back end stuff here. Oh, Fidias. Fidias reaching out. I've heard of them before. Selectively partnering. The problem is they probably come over and see my sub count and they don't really realize that I don't have the viewership that some of these others do. Yep, news in 1 minute. I am ready. I'm debating on trading it or not. My chart froze. All right. I tried to trade it on my Take Profit Trader account. I had a stop order both ways. That candle sucks. I had it like down around like 75, I think it was actually. And then all the way up here at like 605. And then it did this. Did the chart freeze or did just no orders go through? That was very weird. That was actually really weird. Throw your audience on autopilot. Ooh. I'll go. No. Who are you? Flux charts. No. good. No, good. A few of our clients have been raving about you. Oh, guys, you hear that? Over at Uptrade, people are raving about me. Interesting. Want to free your time, says Neil Willis. I mean, that's always nice. Normally I charge 150 per edit, but let's test it for 90. Oh. Oh, this is an actual guy. Just following up editing long form videos. I mean, you're not wrong, but I don't really have long form videos. All right, one more here. Jeez, this guy sent one every day for 4 days in a row. Crazy. Keep that one in my back pocket. I don't honestly like how they worded that entire thing. Jason, good morning. You missed the crazy news. Ugh. I hope we get a little bit more volatility going into the open here, because this is trash. Are any of the other streams live? Oh man, just tired. Trying to save some of my energy, I guess. How about that Tesla insider trading? What happened there? I did not hear about said insider trading. Coach Fred, good morning. Just waiting for something. I don't know what, but I don't know what, but here we are. Waiting is a position in itself. This is true. What the hell happened yesterday on My Fun and Future with Bull Barbie? I missed it. So she was told something was going to happen, and then they changed it, like as it was supposed to be happening, and she didn't like that. And that was just the tip of the iceberg. I mean, she was already pretty frustrated, but apparently that led them to reach out to her and have a talk, and supposedly things are going to be back to normal today, so we'll see. You don't think there were some insiders that knew about Elon's 1 billion buy? I don't buy the pendant breakout explanation. I have no idea. I'm up 84% on my Tesla equity. That's awesome. Dude, I tried to get into Tesla when it like dipped down to 100, and I think I had my I had a leap to buy it at 125, or a cash secured put, and I chickened out and never took it. And I mean, yeah, the rest is history. I'm going to look at it now. Oh yeah, I saw his tweet yesterday that they were up $69 to get to 420. I do remember seeing that. Yeah, it was quite the jump. 350 all the way up to 420. But we'll see. I'm supposed to go on there today. I actually talked to her and I was like, I don't know if I want to go on there without you, because she's kind of the one that talks to me about actual trading stuff. But I guess we'll see how it turns out. My mom put $5 in it when I was at 200 before the split. Not sure how much she is up. $5? I mean, it can't be that much. It can't be what 100 shares at 100 would have been. That's $30,000. Brutal. I just think it's crazy that we have so many stocks that have made this exact move over the last couple years. Like, there's no way it's healthy. I don't think they lost Forrest yet. I think he's like still under contract kind of thing, but I don't think he wants to be there for the same reasons. Forrest is too good for them anyway. Forrest puts out good content. I haven't seen him on there in a while. I know, but I still think he might be doing like some back end video stuff. I'm not sure, but I have an itch on my back and I can't reach it. I'll be right back. I see something in the backyard I need to grab. It's supposed to rain today. I'll be right back. All right. Wow, what's going on? One more trade and I would have passed. Would be passing. Sadly, I got my other account hit the. Dang it. Dang it. We can get marbles rolling though. Let's do that. Maybe. Streamlabs isn't going. There it goes. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. Type it again if you just did before I just hit that. Doesn't look like it got you Wawa or waffles. It got Kanit though. Yeah, sorry about that. I went outside and there was still so many things from the party that I didn't want to get wet, so I grabbed them real quick. It's supposed to rain today, so I wanted to make sure nothing's getting doused. Every 10 payout equal growth account giveaway. Definitely make others use your code. It's okay, just compensate us with another growth account. Dude, I wish I could do that. I mean, I could, I guess. I was like, what is that? Just heard the My Fun of Future stream start in the background. I was like, oh. Somebody posted, I'm here for the drama. I'm actually very curious if Barbie will be there this morning. I guess we'll see. I wonder if she's doing it just for me. Since we've developed a little bit of a friendship. She is. She looks very pleased. No. Get rid of that before we leave. Kind of hoping we don't have some. No. Well, I don't know what to tell you. What? Talking to me? She does not sound like she wants to be there. Yeah. GDT, what's going on? I literally posted in their chat. I was like, I'm only here so I don't get fined. It's so true. GDT, I lost fantasy by 1.7 points. All because Justin Herbert threw that 60-yard touchdown pass. So frustrating. Yet again, so I was looking at the standings. I have the most points scored by 30. After 2 weeks, I have the most points scored after like 30 plus over the next person, and I'm 0-2. $700 parlay because Bijan didn't score? Damn. I have Bijan too in my one league. He still had a good game. That's the crazy part. Yeah, he had what? 22 carries for 143. No touchdown though. I won that league. I had Chase in both my other leagues and lost both. I absolutely raped in one of them. But he had Amari St. Brown, who is one of the only people besides Jared Goff that actually did better than Chase. Just crazy. Donald, you are making me jelly. It is a great day in the neighborhood looking at that. Where's that at? Exclamation point marbles, get them in. You got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Let me start getting it open. Got plenty of time to get both our races in. Maybe we'll do 3. See, we got Waffles, Don, Josh, Wawa, Johnny, Jason, Donald, and Donovan. Apparently, Siri's trying to talk to me. Siri, no. Yeah, Josh, even with your craziness, even if you would have scored like 20 more points, I still would have lost this week. I played in both my big leagues. I played somebody who just went off. Like there was nothing I could do about it. I was only middle of the pack in the really big league. But so I still could have beat like half the league, but the guy I played, I lost by 40. It was bad. Donovan, Emmy's in there now. Let's see. Bum, bum, bum. 10 seconds. Gonna be adding that setting specifically if it can increase some direction on my strats. Interesting. What's your Keltner settings again? It's 13 EMA, 4 times multiplier. Bro, she was just sat on her phone while Nick was chatting to her. It's so funny. You need to just make your own trading TV with Barbie. Well, we've actually talked about it. One that doesn't involve being tied to any specific prop firm. We would just have to do, we'd have to do a lot. Like it's a lot to set up, like production and whatnot. All right, let's run some marbles. $39. Oh, I feel like that means we're missing somebody. Meet Paul, Josh. I did add myself, right? Yeah. Did I miss one of the 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2? Should be good. Oh, I guess if it missed you, it missed you. I'll go through it real quick. Copper, Neo, Jason, Jace, Tony, Johnny, Might Me, Solus. I haven't had to do this in a while. Wawa was. Josh. Don. Paul can eat. What the heck? Who's missing? Oh, MT4 alerts. If for some reason it didn't put you in there. Alright, I got you. Got it. You don't even need to complicate it. It'll work purely because of the dynamic. People prefer to watch multiple people that just one person is in general. Consensus just human behavior. Yeah, you're probably not wrong. All right, let's run. Let's run it. Code VOLA. Let's go. Guess what? You know what's happening if I win. Your settings does not work on my usual 300 tick chart on GC. Well, yeah, I wouldn't expect it to. Ooh wee. Yeah, if you're changing, damn it. If you're changing I keep wanting to say tickers. If you're changing like commodities or whatever you're looking at, it's not going to be the same. You have to go through and back test it yourself to see every time you get like that big push, where is it? And then you have to adjust the settings based on that. I have my settings for the NQ 1 minute. That's it. It doesn't work for anything else. Well, MNQ, but Jace Sunday Brema. Oh, let's go, Jace. Oh, that's got a shot. No, right in between. I added you MT4 alerts just for this moment. Just for this moment. Oh, God. Those lasers said, no, you didn't. Josh, our last hope? Nope. All right, we're going to run it back. Might actually run it 2 more times. We'll do 3. Yep. Yeah, you gotta adjust it accordingly. Soulless of 0. Soul less of 0. Oh, I gotta finish. I couldn't fit all the dishes in the dishwasher this morning, so I gotta let those get clean and finish up those, and then I gotta start packing. Mr. Waffle Sack, what is the story behind your name? I don't think you've ever told me. Got about 10 minutes till the open. I'm gonna try to run this race and one more. It ain't working for GC. Yeah, like I said, you'd have to find like a bunch of different sections on the chart where it made a big move and touched and reversed, and then adjust the bands according to that move. Like real quick on my chart, like you see here's one, this touch right here. So like you could then pull the settings so that the bands touch that specific candle like so, and then go backwards and see what happens. And if you see that it's working, then there you go. If it's too early a lot, then so be it. That might have been an outlier type move where it went through the bands. Or, yeah, I mean, like even my bands, every once in a while, we get a candle that just spikes through. I mean, this was overnight, but I would definitely only look during market hours as well, because pre-market doesn't tend to show you the best results. I believe he wrapped his sack with waffles. All right, Jason, let's do it. Yes, go. Lunch is on Jason. Lunch is on Jason. Nope. Maybe. No. Just missed. Jace going for round 2. Back to back. Nope. Emmy. I'll look up some pictures of you right now if you win. Jason going for round 2 here. Same race. Nope. Donovan. That's not gonna do it. That's not gonna do it. All right, we'll do one more and then we'll watch the open. 3 minutes. We actually might be able to get 2 more. Depends on how quick this one goes. I'll go get another drink though while this one starts. Oh. Need a little sugar in my life this morning. Wake my ass up. That's gonna do it, Jason. Oh, you might hit it. Nope, gonna miss. Game. 4. Don said I'll go first. Don said I'll go first. Let's go. Get in there. Get in there. Stay up. Stay up. Oh, I thought it was going to roll back out. No. Oh, my. All right, we'll get one more. Seemed to be like 3 minutes when nobody gets to the end. We still got 3 minutes. Yeah, she only said something when she was asked. Pass the candy in the water. Yeah. These are actually sugar-free lollipops. When you go to the dentist actually has these sitting on the desk because apparently they're like, I mean, it's for the kids, obviously, but they're like the type of lollipops that won't really do too much damage to you. Everyone's talking to her in the chat. Like, how can we make you happy? Why is Bull Mommy silent? Paul's through. Come on, Paul. Just can't find it. Just can't find it. Jason. Oh, the laser came down and destroyed you. Hey, I was literally about to do that. Why is streamer bot playing something constant? Oh, because I have it on the wrong thing. I changed streamer bot to my Spotify and not. I'm an idiot.
Order filled.
Should be good now. All right. Let's take a break to watch the open, see what happens.
Welcome to the jungle, bitch!
That don't make no sense.
That don't make no sense.
Ha! Gay!
All right, so I'm gonna be here for about 10 minutes after the open, then I'm gonna head over to their thing, maybe 15 minutes. Ugh. I'll probably leave here at 9:45. All right, going into the open here, making some new current lows. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. We'll see if Barbie opens up when I come on the channel or the show. It looks like it doesn't want to make up its mind. I just can't help myself. I end up chewing the lollipops. All right, see if we can get a push. Oh, that was kind of nice. I think I would try this. We could have got that extra push to 550. Would have been happy with it. I like what a train wreck. I was hoping to get a trade there before we headed over, but we'll see. All right, looks like we might get one more shot at this. I'd be looking for below 550 now, though. Looking for at least like 540. I am on my Fund Future CV today, yeah. Go on around 10. So I'm going to leave here around 9:45. Get into their little pre-show or behind-the-scenes part of it or whatever. Yeah, I think Max is on Trades by Matt's stream today. Wonder how that's going. He just started trading. All right, see if we can get the push under 550. It's going to be our last little ditched effort. I just love how short she's been. Nothing. All right, coming back down again. See if we can't get that push through 550. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I mean, we're still pretty far away from the bands, even if we get it, but I think I would try it. I left early yesterday. Not that early. I just had, I've had a bunch of crap to do these last couple days. Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. It's just literally like, what is this? A couple ticks at a time. Maybe a couple points. Yeah. Every time it goes lower, it's literally by just a couple points. Choppy chop chop. Choppity chop chop. No more marbles today, Wawa. I'm gonna be heading over to the My Fun of Future stream here in a little bit. Gonna ditch the order for now. I don't think we're gonna get a trade on our stream. Oh, one more chance here. One more chance. I would need to see like 35 though. Nope. That was a big candle though. One last little push. Oh, whoa, whoa. See that like in the candle? That was a little weird. All right, I think I got to call it because they said 5 to 10 minutes. I don't want to get into a trade and then not make it in time. Exclamation point poker? Ooh. Maybe we should get a poker game going. What do you guys think? That'd actually be kind of fun. Get a little poker game going online somewhere? Sounds kind of fun, actually. We tried to do that once before, but maybe we can make it a reality. Yeah, my funded futures. Yeah, I know. Watch, I bet I can cheer Barbie up though. All right, let me X this out. All right, I'm gonna get out of here off the stream. I'm gonna just end it right away. I will see you guys over on my Fun to Future stream. If you want to come join in here, I'll shoot you the link. There it is. All right, I'll see you over there. If not, have a good rest of your day. Peace.